Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be printing some sublimation print for a customer, right? They only want it print, they don't want it on no product because they have their own product. So I'll be printing some sublimation print design on the sublimation paper for a customer. So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll be back when I'm going to print the things. Okay guys, I'm going to set up my printer now. So come with me to set up my printer. This dog keeps biting me. Stop biting me. I'll be back. Okay guys, this is a sublimation machine. I will put in the paper now. Yeah, let me see. These are sublimation. They look different. They look whiter than, yeah, the customer bring it. Yes, yeah. So I have to change the Wi-Fi in there. I have to change the password. Don't remember how to change the password, but yeah, let's see if this will change the password. Okay, let's changing the password, the Wi-Fi. So I will click. Don't know if you could see. I click OK, and then OK, and then put in the password. I'll be back when I don't put in the password and when I go for my tablet. Okay guys, this is a picture, one of the pictures I have to print. So it don't connect to the printer. So all I have to do is do one paper first. Hold on. All I have to do now is click print. And then it will ask me to confirm. Let me put the tablet up there. It will ask me to confirm. And then it will start printing. It's checking the printer levels to see if it's good enough. And then it starts to print. It's coming out from India. See? So, yeah. Okay. Okay guys. You see how this print? This means I have to clean the head. So we'll take a printing paper, right? Take a printing paper, put it in here. Again, don't mind that confusion on the table. Then I will press OK. Then hold on. Okay, now I will look for settings, and I think it's maintenance, and then other check, clean print head, then press OK, then press OK, then press start. It takes 3 minutes, so I will do this and do this and do this until I get it clear, and I'll be back when I get it clear. Okay, I run 4 printer clean. This is the last one. It's coming there. This is the first one. Not the same as the last one. No. This is the second. This is the second one. And this is the second to last one. So I will continue printer clean and see if I could get the black work, because it's the black that is not working. Okay, so I'll be back when I fully get it finished. So cleaning again. I don't know why it stopped up, but yeah. Let the 3 minutes run and I'll be back. Okay guys, the picture that I had to print, I will not be printing it anymore because the printer won't print in black. I do not know why. Even though I power clean the printer, it still won't print in black. So I don't know how the person will get the picture sorted, but I cannot print it. The printer is now on a 2-hour wait. So this is another video. This was just a little update. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And remember to leave a comment. Bye.